Your taxable income starts with AGI. Then you subtract either the standard deduction or your itemized deductions. You don't get both. The smart move is simple. Pick the one that lowers tax the most. On the EA exam, they'll often give you a few Schedule A numbers and ask which route is better. So always compare totals before you commit. TCJA changed the game. The standard deduction nearly doubled, and many itemized deductions were restricted or eliminated through 2025. That's why fewer taxpayers itemize now. Another TCJA change. The P's limitation went away, so high-income taxpayers don't lose itemized deductions to a phase-out. And that repeal was made permanent by ABA. So don't look for P's on modern exam questions. Most taxpayers get a choice, but 3 groups can't take the standard deduction. First, married filing separately. If one spouse itemizes, the other spouse must itemize too. Otherwise, their standard deduction is 0. Second, non-resident aliens and most dual status filers using Form 1040-NR. Third, a short tax year return under 12 months, usually from an accounting period change. Rare for individuals, but exam-worthy. If you itemize, you're living on Schedule A. That's where you report the major categories like medical expenses, taxes, interest, gifts to charity, and certain other deductions. A common exam trap is assuming any tax or fee is deductible. Schedule A is picky. For example, some vehicle fees are deductible only if they're a personal property tax based on value, not based on weight or flat charges. TCJ also suspended miscellaneous itemized deductions subject to the 2% of AGI floor through 2025, and ABA made that suspension permanent. So, unreimbursed employee expenses are generally gone as itemized deductions. But a handful of miscellaneous items still survive and show up on the EA exam, like gambling losses up to winnings, certain Ponzi scheme losses, and repayments over $3,000 under the claim of right rules. Darius itemizes deductions. California DMV sent his annual registration renewal with these fees: a license fee of $124 based on the vehicle's value, a weight fee of $65 based on weight, and a smog abatement fee of $20. What portion of these DMV fees can Darius deduct on Schedule A? Think about it. The deductible amount is $124. Only the part of a vehicle registration fee that's a personal property tax based on value is deductible on Schedule A. The weight fee and smog fee feel like taxes, so they're tempting, but they're not value-based personal property taxes, so they don't qualify. Marina is self-employed. She took a client to a sold-out hockey game and paid $200 total for 2 scalper tickets. After the game, they went to dinner and discussed business. The meal cost $80, and the taxi ride to the restaurant cost $20. How much can Marina deduct as a business expense? Think about it. The answer is $100. The hockey tickets are entertainment, and entertainment stays non-deductible under TCJA. But under 2026 law, business meals are 100% deductible, so the $80 dinner is fully deductible. The $20 taxi ride to the restaurant is also a deductible business travel expense. A tempting wrong answer is $80, forgetting the taxi.